you are doing in different sectors for the development and facilitation of the people of our province. Regarding today's event, I am thankful that you are handing over 14 ambulances and mini operation theatres for our province, which will help our people to be facilitated by the health facilities, especially in the far-flung areas and unfortunately till today backward areas. You know, Pakhtunkhwa is having law and order issues. It's a big challenge for us. And the only solution for these all challenges is that we have to develop our areas. And we have to get our people employed. So this is very necessary and it's the biggest challenge for us right now. And we are working on that with full willpower, and we'll be expecting the support of different organizations in this regard. Our people, our forces have given a lot of sacrifices. And inshallah, we hope that in this coming time, we will get rid of it, but with development and employment. This is the main thing. And secondly, regarding health, we have given this health card, but we want that the health facilities may be improved in our government facilities, our own hospitals, because this way the financial cycle will run within the government to government, and we will be helped with enhancing our 1 million to 2 million this health card, the grant we are giving to all citizens all over KP. And this facility is not only the people who are living in KP, but all who are Pakistan in any hospital, they can go, the identified hospitals listed in the health card, that they can get facilitated over there in all over Pakistan in the hospitals. We will be looking forward for a lot of things from you because we have a financial crunch in Pakistan also, and especially in our province also. This word I use USAID because this word aid doesn't suit us. We have been a very proud nation, we have a very proud culture, but unfortunately we are depending on these aids. So we have to get out of it. Our vision, our leader Imran Khan.
USAID की जानिब से खैबर पख्तूनख्वा हुकूमत को एम्बुलेंसेज फ्राहम करने की तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं वज़ीर आला खैबर पख्तूनख्वा अली अमीन गंडापुर। उन्होंने इस मौके पर USAID हुकूमत का शुक्रिया अदा किया। उनका कहना